Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session. Oh my goodness, this is take number 4 or 10. I've lost count now. That's gonna be a hashtag. All right. Okay, so let's see here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Glad you're here. Let's get started rambling. So this is my creative journal. It was made by the very talented Christy Biddleston. I will leave all the links below. Anybody I mention, any tutorials that I've done, anything, I will leave all the links below. Please always check the description box because I put all the links in. And that's what I spent all day yesterday doing. I was uploading a bunch of videos and, putting in all the descriptions and getting the links and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it took me pretty much all day. So, always check the description box. The other thing we did this weekend on Saturday is we went out with our son so that he could go purchase some furniture for his new place. Can you believe it, folks? He's leaving us. Yes, he's moving out in a couple weeks. I think June 1st is his move-in date. So we're super excited. Very bittersweet, but super excited for him. So, all right, let's get started with the creative journal. Again, with the links, I will have the links below to the playlist that holds all the tutorials on how to make one of these books for yourself. I happen to love mine and love working in it. Now, in my book here, I'm behind as per usual. I've saved some of my items. This is one of the last ones that you saw. Excuse me, I'm sorry. There's Fred. There's Fred. I have not been in the mood to journal. I have all my notes on my phone. I have been sort of in the mood to decorate pages and things like that. So that's what I've been doing. I do believe I have and will have videos on the process of this page, the process of this page, and the process of this page. The process of this videos of the process. So I started trying to make you guys some process videos because I was asked if I could do that. And on this process video, which is going to come up at the end of May, I actually did learn how to speed through a video and do a voiceover. So yeah, excuse me. You guys will just have to see it for yourselves and let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the sped through version or not. At any rate, most of my pages are done with the tags and all that whatnot. I just need to go back and do my journaling, sit here and write. My fingers have been very sore lately, so it's hard for me to sit and just write endlessly. Anywho, there's the lowdown on my journal. Yeah, I'm still like a week behind, so I've got to do all of that. So there's that. Let's see. I've been working on these. These are double-sided. I know it's hard to see. Double-sided paper clip embellishments using the mini envelope punch. Okay. And so I made these cute little things. I had to do a bit of a trial and error because these were the first ones I made. I think they came out super cute and they were fun to do. But then when I did the closure, which is this little strip of paper right here with the sentiment on it that I got in Happy Mail from Kathy Gadil. And when I made it out of the thin scrapbook paper, it tore. So that was a no-go. So I'll use these for myself. Excuse me, there's Fred again. But then I went ahead and made one out of cardstock, which works a lot better. Okay. And then on the inside, I have just this little coffee dyed piece of paper for journaling. So I'd like to make up a few more of these. And did I say I'll leave the link below? I've filmed this video I don't know how many times, so I don't know what I have said and haven't said. The double-sided paperclip embellishment is Brooke's idea. That's where I saw it first, so I will leave the link below to that. I don't think she doesn't leave out the top and bottom bit of the paper clip, but I like that because then you could add cute little things like this right? It does add bulk to your book, not gonna lie, but you can take these in and out, right? So you take it out, you write in your little card, you stick it back in. If you're writing on that particular journal page, you simply take it out, write on your journal page, put it back in. You know, I think they're super cute embellishments. And then I was messing around. I just had a scrap on my desk, so I made it into a little envelope. And then inside here is a little piece of painty paper that I had that I just turned into a little journaling spot. Excuse me. So there's that. And there you have it. So I did that. And then you guys have seen this already. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. This is a pocket folder that I made last week. I made it specifically to go into my creative journals, but you can put it in whatever you want. You can do whatever you want with it. I think it's a fabulous idea to fill it up with goodies and send it out in Happy Mail. If that's what you want to do, you could make your own journal out of it. Simply make a cover for it and then sew in a signature with papers, and you have a journal like within a few minutes. It's super easy to do. Yeah, and they're very sturdy. These little folders are very sturdy, and somebody told me on one of the groups that they do sell them at the Dollar Tree. I've not been able to make it to the Dollar Tree, so. And then I also wanted to share with you this meme right here. Be that girl who roots for the other girl, tells a stranger her hair looks amazing, and encourages other women to believe in themselves and their dreams. The reason I printed this out, I saw it online very shortly after I received a very sweet email from a viewer asking me if it would be okay if they made creative journals, according to my tutorials, and sold them. So she was basically asking my permission, if she could make and sell the creative journals. And my answer to her was that I was humbled and honored that she would consider making the books, and selling them. So yes, that's a complete honor to me. And thank you, if you're watching, for asking permission. I really do appreciate it. And one of the things I like about this channel, and doing my channel, filming for you guys, is to encourage and inspire you guys to do things as well, So if it is something like this little folder here, or making your own creative journal, do with it what you will. Take it and run. Figure out ways to improve it, add the things that you like about it, take away the things that you don't like about it, experiment, Yeah, that's part of the purpose. I feel the purpose for my channel, for me, in this channel, is to encourage and inspire you guys to make stuff, make things. And so, yes, that was just so sweet. And back to this, I will always be the girl who roots for the other ones. If you have an Etsy store, or you sell your items through YouTube or whatever, I wish y'all all the prosperity in the world. And one of the ways that I try to give back in a very small way is to be sure to link all of the channels and Etsy stores and all of that to the people that inspire me on a daily basis through YouTube. I love this community. And yeah, so if you ever see something on my channel, a tutorial, and I'm talking about from me, like if I have done it, and I don't know how to explain that. Like if it was my idea, you know what I'm saying? Not somebody else's idea, that I'm just replicating, but an idea that I've come up with, feel free to make them and sell them. I don't have patents on anything or copyrights on anything. And again, like I said, I do this to encourage and inspire you guys to do to create things. So I hope that made sense to you. But yeah, I'm totally honored and humbled that you guys will want to try these projects on your own. Yeah, and I hope you do. And I think that's all I have for today. So, yep, this is a short one because I got to get busy on a lot of different things I've got going today. And I will thank you for your time and thank you for sharing it with me. And I will talk at you all soon. Bye.